Alright, so now we get that battery replaced, and well, seems like everything works. I've got lights, you've got turn signals, high beam, low beam, you got horn, and all that's left to do is see if she'll start right up. I'll have a seat on here. It's okay, we're on neutral. Yeah, we're on neutral. Pull the clutch in. We got no start. Alright, so she runs, but we're leaking a lot of fuel here. Oh, shouldn't run well. Let's see where that fuel's coming from. Yep, coming straight from that carb. Looks like we're going to have to rebuild the carbs, which I expected. I don't know why it shouldn't be quite that far. So, looks like we're going to have to rebuild the carbs on this guy. You can see a little puddle down there at the bottom. And I'll bring it around over here. Actually, take it right off the tripod. So, look right in there. You can see the fuel's leaking right from that carb. I'm not sure if that's a fuel line problem or if it's just the carburetors need to be rebuilt. Something's wrong with them. That's what I'm guessing right now. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to strip her down.